Hey, tech lovers! Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in cutting-edge tech. Today, we've got something super exciting for you. A phone that's rewriting the rules on foldable tech. Say hello to the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate, a triple foldable phone that's changing the game. First off, let's talk about the display. This beast offers not one, not two, but three foldable screen modes. You can switch between a 6.4-inch OLED single screen, a 7.9-inch OLED dual screen, and an absolutely massive 10.2-inch OLED triple screen. Whether you're watching movies, working on the go, or multitasking, this phone gives you all the space you could ever need. And of course, the OLED panel delivers deep blacks and vibrant colors that really pop. From browsing social media to gaming or even productivity apps, the Mate X-T Ultimate handles it all. Plus, with these multiple screen sizes, you'll never feel cramped. Now, let's talk about performance. The Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate comes with storage options ranging from 256 gigabytes all the way up to a whopping 1 terabyte. That's more than enough space for all your apps, games, videos, and even 4K content. No more worrying about running out of storage. And let's not forget, with Huawei's powerful chipset, you're getting top-notch performance. Whether you're gaming, working on multiple apps at once, or watching high-definition content, the Mate X-T Ultimate can handle it without breaking a sweat. Moving on to the camera, Huawei is known for pushing the envelope here. The Mate X-T Ultimate boasts a triple camera setup with a 50MP primary camera, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 12MP telephoto lens. So, whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or getting that perfect close-up shot, this phone has you covered. Thanks to its AI-enhanced photography features, your photos are going to be crystal clear, with vivid colors and stunning detail, even in low light. Of course, all these powerful features need a big battery, and Huawei delivers with a 5,600 mAh powerhouse. You'll be able to use your Mate X-T Ultimate all day, whether you're streaming, gaming, or handling business tasks. And with fast charging support, you can juice up in no time and get back to what matters. So, is the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate the future of foldable phones? With its impressive triple-screen design, top-tier performance, fantastic cameras, and an all-day battery, it's certainly a phone that stands out from the crowd. It's not just a phone. It's a multitasking powerhouse that redefines mobile computing. If you're into tech that's bold and innovative, the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate is definitely worth checking out. Let me know in the comments. Would you consider switching to a triple foldable phone like this one? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech reviews and comparisons. See you in the next one.